Oh, I got a
Yes.
question.
There you go. The camera's right there.
It's a driving thing though. So,
Okay.
Let's say you're taking a right and someone's taking a left.
Okay.
The person. So, does the right have to stay in the right lane and the left have to get in the left lane? And like, who's in the right or wrong if you crash?
So if you're turning right,
Yeah.
right? Well, it doesn't matter. Wherever you're turning, you have to turn into the nearest lane that you're turning into.
Okay.
You have to stay in your lane. So if you're making a right-hand turn on red, you have to stay in the furthest right-hand lane.
Okay.
If you're making a left-hand turn, you have to stay in the nearest lane to where you're turning, because that's the lane you're continuing into.
Yeah.
If you move over or merge lanes, you get in an accident, it's going to be your fault.
Okay.
Every day of the week.
So they both have the right of way. They turn at the same time and it's fine.
Well, yeah, because they're both turning into separate lanes.
Okay.
And this is assuming that somebody is like, because you can make a left-hand, I can be making a left while you're making a right. We can both have green lights.
Yeah.
Now, if somebody is making a right-hand turn on red and somebody else is making a left-hand turn and they have an arrow, then and there's only one lane, the person turning right is going to be in trouble.
Okay.
Because the other person had a signal identifying them to go, and while you can turn right on red, so you have to yield for oncoming traffic first.
Okay.
So your duty is to the other drivers because you're stopping and then you're turning.
Okay.
You actually cannot just see a red light on a right hand and just keep going. You actually have to stop unless there's a sign that says don't.
Okay. Cool. Good to know.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Absolutely.